Welcome to our teacher. Welcome to our channel, World Teacher. I am not world teacher. I am only Sanskrit teacher in Vinukonda village. World teachers are Sri Ravindranath Tagore, Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Sadguru Subramanyam, Jillalamudi Amma, Kristu Mahasaya, Muhammad Pravakta, Mauna Swami, Adi Shankaracharya, etc. Only they are Sadgurus. Sadguru Subramanyam says that combines Sadguru 108 sayings of the Sadguru selected by Babu, daily contemplation. The quantum of the universe is limited to the